We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx Imaging. In this video, I will show you how to clean your scanner glass on your Epson EcoTank ET-3760 printer. So the first step is to go ahead and open your scanner lid and expose the glass. Next, you'll want to get your favorite glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth. You don't want to put the glass cleaner directly onto the glass as this may damage it. Instead, go ahead and put the glass cleaner on your cloth and then wipe the scanner glass gently. Sometimes you may notice some whiteout or other marks on the glass. If that does happen, go ahead and just clean it until those things are cleaned off. And then if you're using the automatic document feeder, which is the ADF, that's this top part right here. If you're using that and you're seeing defects, then you'll want to focus on this strip of glass right here, right at the top of the left side. If you're seeing more defects when you're using the flatbed, go ahead and focus on the bigger piece of glass. If the defects persist, it may be time to put your printer in for a service. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.